Hi, my name is Priyanka and in today's video we talk about how to do your own eyebrows and remove upper lip hair at home without any fancy tool. I'm sure a lot of ladies have faced this problem of not going to a parlor and having to deal with really bushy eyebrows and upper lip hair and feeling helpless because obviously they can't go to a parlor. Well, I have come up with the perfect and a permanent solution to all your hair related problems as we bring salon home. Yes, you heard me right. Let me give you a brief about myself here. I have been doing my eyebrows from the past 15 years and no, I'm not kidding. And if you guys watch this video till the end, I'm sure you will also leave with this feeling of confidence that yes, I can also take care of my hair removal needs on my own. I take care of my parlor needs at home because I feel that I know my features, my skin, my hair and everything quite well as compared to a stranger, and instead of relying on a total stranger for my parlor needs, I rely on myself and I keep confidence in me that yes, I can take care of my parlor needs. There are a lot of benefits of not going to a parlor. Firstly, you're saving a lot of money. Doing your services at home on your own is obviously more hygienic as compared to a parlor. You are learning a skill, which means you are being self-reliant and not being dependent on someone else. And I want you ladies to have the same confidence as I have, so that in situations like this, say the lockdown or suppose you are on a vacation, you are not dependent on someone and you are able to take care of your needs on your own. So watch this video till the end and I'm sure you will find it helpful. So to start, we need a regular thread. You can also use the professional thread which is used for threading if you have that lying around. Next, a pair of scissors and tweezers. That's all you need. To begin, first trim the long hair that you feel needs to be trimmed from the front of your eyebrows. Now we take approximately half a meter of thread, fold it in half, join the ends and put a knot. So you're left with something like this. Now take both your hands and place the thread in between your fingers like so and start rolling your right hand 4 to 5 times, and now you bring your right thumb in and start practicing this motion like I'm doing in the video. Practice a bit on your legs and you will get the hang of it. Now place the thread on your upper eyebrow and make sure that you are not too close to the eyebrow. Just try to remove the excess hair only. You don't need to stretch your eyebrows while doing this, and you will be able to do this after a bit of practice. I like to go on the lower eyebrow as well, but only on the front because you don't have to stretch your eyebrows in that area. Now don't be tempted to go too close to your eyebrow because as you will be doing it for the first time, you might end up taking a few extra hair. So don't go too close. A warning that I want to give you guys here is that do not use a thread under the arch of your brows as it needs to be pulled, and if you try to do this method without stretching your brows, you will end up with bruises. If you feel that you're not able to get the hang of using a thread for the first time, then you can simply use a tweezer and plug the extra hair. To take care of your arch, you will be needing tweezers. Using tweezers on your eyebrows is extremely easy and fuss-free. So a tip that I want to give you guys here is that tracing a line before you start doing your eyebrow will help a lot, especially to a beginner, as it will act as a guide. So with one hand, you stretch your eyebrow and start plucking away the extra hair like I'm doing in the video. Take your time and clean the area by plucking all the little hair. Mind you, this is not so painful as compared to getting a threading done. As you guys can see, my eyebrows look quite clean and I have kept them quite thick and natural looking. I have not given them a crazy shape or something. Do not over trim them and do not try to give crazy shapes and curves to your eyebrows. So with the help of a thread, you can also do your upper lip area. With the help of your tongue, you stretch your upper lip a bit and remove the unwanted hair. Threading is better than any other method of hair removal because it's easy to do, especially on your upper lip area, as it saves you a lot of time, plus you are hair free for longer. Remember to put gentle pressure with the thread and practice it on your legs so that you don't hurt yourself. Looking at it seems intimidating, I'm sure, but trust me, it is extremely easy and anyone can do it, especially the upper lip area. Well, if you guys liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys soon with another interesting video. Bye!